N.R.T here, guys. Received package in from old Milwaukee. No, it ain't sponsored. But it is a new power cord for the M18 fan, and they even admitted to it on the phone. This is out of warranty. It's like 2 years past warranty. But because N.R.T buys so much Milwaukee product, they took care of N.R.T. So huge shout out to them. Should plug right in. So now I show you. Do something like that. Turn it over here. Turn it on. Maybe these fans' bearings going out, I guess. I need to spray some WD-40 in there. Okay, now it's not making all that racket, so I fixed it. Now I got nice cool blow air blowing on me while I work on the tractor. So, huge shout out to Milwaukee sending out. That probably just voided the warranty. But guess what? It's out of warranty. So, they always take care of N.R.T. They should take care of everyone else.